Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A8 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list and finding the contact you'd like to edit and then tap on it. So let me choose maybe this one. Then tap on the two dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on edit. And let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So just tap on this camera icon and now you can either take a photo and then your device will immediately open the camera app, or select a photo from the gallery. So I will just take a photo quickly. Just let me do something like that. And tap on the stick icon. Crop the photo. And now in this step you can change the size of this highlighted square. You can make it larger or smaller, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted area is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and then tap on done in the right upper corner and tap on save. And this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.